So what are we doing today, Justin?
Well, today we're putting holes in my ceiling.
That's right, we're back at my friend Justin's house, and we are going to be drilling holes in his ceiling. But first, I want to say hi, my name is Carl, everybody's favorite ginger, and welcome to the Real Ginger Tech, where I like to do tips, tricks, and reviews, and today, a DIY video. So, kind of an impromptu thing, we're actually getting ready to set up and start recording our Arduino videos, and we thought, hey, you know, it'd be nice? A camera down view of what's going on the table. This way I don't have to try and, show things off. And so today we're installing a ceiling camera mount. Hope you guys enjoy.
And be about here. We want it to be relatively close to the wall. That way we can move the camera back and forth.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think line up with this seam seems like a good idea. Let's see if we can find a stud. And I can't find my stud finder, so we'll use the knock method. It's all hollow. There's no studs.
It's a studless house.
Studless construction.
Oh.
There are no studs here till I got moved in. That sounds solid. That sounds solid.
It's going to be a long video for just sitting here knocking the whole time.
Like, I think literally right where this line is, if we came straight off of here. Let's try as if this was where the stud is. Nope.
All right, so update here, Justin. How many holes did we drill up here?
Like a couple.
Let's see if I can zoom in. It's just, yeah, all those are holes. Because God knows how this place was built. But we finally found a stud right along there.
Apparently there are no studs right here.
It's a black hole.
No studs over here. They don't start until right here.
And that's where the floor joist is, because we're in the basement.
Yeah, and then these go across this way, so I don't know why this ends here and what's supporting anything.
All right, so we had to move out to the garage here. Justin is a hoarder of tools.
Oh, it's wet.
And and you're in your socks.
Okay, so I'm thinking.
Oh, there you go.
Just clamp that down there.
Little bench vise
right
action.
there. That'll be probably better. Clamp from that side. So I've got room to. And give it a nice, quick, easy
Don't try this at home, kids.
bend. And that is what I'm looking for. So.
How does that look? Pull it up here. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Back to the recording studio.
That looks pretty good.
Oh yeah. And for all those wondering why Justin's the one on film today, it's his house, so if anything gets screwed up, I'm giving it to him.
Yeah.
Knowing my luck, I'd rip down the ceiling or something.
Oh, hey, this. I didn't have to take that out. Which screw hole is the right one?
Ah, jeez.
You know, what would be funny is if somehow we hit something here.
Oh, just out of some sheer luck?
Yeah. Okay. So that's in place.
Here, I'll hand you the next one.
I gotta move the step stool too.
Well, then I did nothing to help. Aside from record.
Like usual.
Yep.
Okay. So I think now we need to punch holes for
these guys right here?
Yeah.
Is that what you need? Autofocus isn't working in the greatest right now.
So this needs to be able to go in a hole.
What shirt are you wearing there? What even is that?
I don't know. I got it. Call of Duty 3, I think.
You just.
I don't know. Oh, so what I'm gonna do?
Don't you have a little tool there? I'm just pointing that up there, even though you're not up there anymore.
I'm gonna use this to center punch, and I'm gonna swing this out of the way, and I'm gonna make a sizable hole.
That's what she said?
I don't know. I don't think so. This should be plenty big enough for this to go in. And then you use
little tool in there.
this little tool, and it'll push the things back out. There, now it's grabbing onto that ceiling just fine. And then that goes back over there.
You do realize I'm going to let you edit all this, Justin?
What?
Because this way you get to pick and choose what people see about you.
And that is not going anywhere.
Alright.
Rinse and repeat.
Rinse and repeat. So, Justin, what'd you find while trying to put the wall anchor in there?
There's a stud. Like I kind of thought maybe was happening is there's a stud that goes this way. The rest of them go that way. This one goes this way. That's why there's nothing
that
there.
One. That makes no sense whatsoever.
No.
Let's find out if he's right. How'd that work out for you?
What the heck? Like I'm hitting something. I'm hitting something. That's wood.
That's what he said?
Oh, I went off to the right of it.
Oh, so if you just go just a little bit
Right there.
right there, then you'll hit it.
So I'm going to go off a little bit more just to...
Don't forget, all of YouTube is watching right now. Are you right? Hey, look at that. We hit 2 studs. So that one, 2 studs. That one, once. Are you really going to do a pull-up on there?
No.
Oh, okay. Yes, I'm recording.
Okay.
Got a thumbs up.
So,
Off camera. What
off
did we
camera, we took the T, and we started with a small drill bit, and we worked our way up a couple of steps, and drilled a hole in there. And then I took a tap wrench, and I threaded it through to tap the hole, so that this wing screw now screws into there. The nice thing about that is that this whole piece fits perfectly over the dowel, and it slides, but then you can tighten the wing nut down. You don't have to go too tight, it is just in plastic, and it holds it in place so it won't move. Next step, hang the dowel. So we're going to want to pre-drill the holes in the wood because we don't want to split the wood either. And I think we'll use this drill bit to do so. That'll work just fine. So I'll put one in. Put the screw in, and then I'll do the other side.
Still trying to figure out what's on that shirt. It's got to be Call of Duty or something.
I think it's Call of Duty. I'm not a Call of Duty person, but it came in one of those loot crates, and so it's a shirt I don't care about getting dirty.
Thus, drilling holes, get it dirty.
Yeah.
All right.
So, with the dowel securely secured to the hangers, we can now decide how long we want this pole to be.
And for that, we'll just switch that right over to the tripod. I figure out how to use this. Yeah, I swear I know how to use a tripod. All right. So, we're about there. I'm looking at just your belly and crotch at this point.
Best parts. Where'd the other camera go? Camera goes into the mount. And then theoretically this goes up into here. And is that visible on screen?
Yes and no.
And the table would be out here.
Yeah, I think we're looking good right there.
Okay, so that
I
is...
can't see your hand, so...
So that is with it all the way retracted.
And then you have the option.
And so we'd have the option to move it down, but we wouldn't have the option to move it up. So I think we do need to cut a couple of inches off. About that much off?
So you're just gonna eyeball it? I like it.
Yeah, I mean, we want to
No,
measure.
no, I'm just kidding. Just cut.
It's gonna be...
You know, you could do it on the table.
I don't want to do it on the table.
Why not?
Because I have more control over here. Let that all cut off. We can then, that can be the ugly stick inside side. So then we want to put a set screw somewhere about an inch in on the other side. Okay, so now we'll see if this screw will fit. That seems to hold secure. And then we're going to clamp right down on the end of these plastic teeth. Hold secure. So we can loosen that up, adjust the length. That'll allow us to have enough adjustability. And then we'll just friction fit for now, this into there. And then once we've decided that we're not going to make any additional changes, and then we can swing this around.
Yeah.
Once we decide we're not going to make any additional changes, we'll
do some PVC glue?
Yeah, we'll glue it all.
Cool.
Just right here, actually.
Yeah, that should be the only place. Well, that's it. That's Justin building a, what is that?
A ceiling
camera mount? Yeah. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching the video. Primarily focused on Justin. We now have a ceiling mounted camera. So once we get into our Arduino videos, which we're going to actually start recording shortly after this, we'll be able to actually see what's going on here as we're doing it, so that I'm not trying to be a hand model and put it up. Tell me what you think. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Let me know what you would have done different, or if you're thinking about doing something like this for yourself. Hit me up either in the comments down below or over on Twitter at RealGingerTech. Hope to see you guys next time.